Assalamualaikum friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Airdro World. Today I will discuss about the project of Burb DeFi coin. So Burb is a DeFi coin that you will actually love to use. So Burb is a DeFi coin. So there are different features. First step is drain, hatching, holders and rewards. If you hold coins, then you will earn rewards. Holders can still earn rewards, and even if they could not hatch the rest. Every 3 days, the top 250 holders are automatically distributed 48% of the drained Burb. The remaining 51% of the drained tokens will be burned forever. So there are different features. View all of the features. If you see that Burb swap, community grant, holder rewards, active developers, private transactions, safe and security. So these are features. So in instant swap, you can swap with on one click. Instant swap cryptocurrency with Burb swap, decentralized exchange with Burb swap, upcoming decentralized DEX. You can anonymously buy, sell or swap any cryptocurrency. Stay completely private. No need to lengthy KYC and divulge all personal information. Stay completely private when trading with Burb swap. So the next feature is send coins via Twitter, Twitch, WhatsApp or more. So it is a very different or unique feature. So you can easily send coins by using WhatsApp, Twitter, social media platforms to one account to another account. So send completely private transactions. So flock transaction protect your identity. In this way, your identity will be secret. And at Burb, we believe privacy is a fundamental human right. With the upcoming Burb wallet, you can send privately, completely anonymous transaction hidden from the public. So the next feature is beta tester program. So development feedback, and these are the details on the website. So if we check out their white paper, so here are the details. Burb coin is a Binance Smart Chain based project. So Burb swap, Burb gaming portals. So these are different features. Burb swap, you can check all the details about the Burb swap, that how they can work. So Burb gaming portal. So gaming portals, the holders of the Burb token earn rewards, hatching through hatching mode, through drain holder rewards. These are all the features. Burb voting. In this feature, Burb voting is a decision making platform. We are the community get to vote a upcoming feature and development. This will offer balanced and non-based voting platform so that large holders cannot influence the votes in their favor. Members can participate by voting for development ideas or any proposal that may require access to the development fund. So the next feature is Burb lottery. Burb lottery, you can check about the lottery system. Burb e-commerce payment, you can pay payments through Burb with the e-commerce payments. Payments plugins will include WordPress, Shopify, OpenCart, Pollution, Barista Shop and more. So these are their features. You can easily pay payments of e-commerce by using Burb token. So private transaction means that your identity will be private. Social sending, you can easily send tokens by using social platforms such as Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, वगैरह. So the next feature is NFT market. So NFT is the rising market of the cryptocurrency. So Burp token is also capture this market. The Burp NFT marketplace is coming, so our team of artists will create memorable NFT limited edition collectible digital artwork. We also welcome any artist able to create amazing artwork to add the Burp marketplace. So these are their features. So you can see their Twitter account is very active. They post and their you can see that their pre-sale is live on 13 July. Pre-sale is on 13 July 8 p.m. Central Time. So if you can participate in pre-sale, just visit their website burp.com. So minimum buy is 0.1 BNB and maximum 2 BNB. Token price is $0.02 per token. So their contract liquidity will be locked and episode for 2 years. Their contract address will be released after before the pre-sale. So these are their features. You can check about these all features, but community updates. So these are their social media accounts. So if you can check about this project is very strong, so must join this project. Thanks for watching my video.